Today we've got another growing tips video from Sustainable Macleod. Today what I'm going to be doing is looking at pH testing your soil. So you've probably already prepared your garden beds for the autumn-winter period, but it's important to test the soil. So what I'm going to be doing is using a simple pH indicator kit. We'll be determining whether the soil is in the neutral range that our vegetables prefer, or whether it's a little too acid, a little too alkaline. At the end, what I'll do is I'll talk to you about what you can do to bring any soil that's out of balance back into balance. What I need to do first of all is collect my soil sample, and I do this by digging down around about 10 centimetres into the soil. So I've collected my soil sample, I've got my soil test kit ready. All I need is some of that soil on the test kit plate. We want to keep organic pieces, leaves and any compost out as much as we can. We're testing the soil, not the compost or the organic matter that happens to find its way in there. So that's a reasonable size sample. I want to break it up a little bit, and what I need to do is to take some of the indicator liquid, put a few drops on, enough to make a kind of a thick paste out of that. More than enough. And next just need to add the indicator powder. And what I'm looking for is the indicator powder, which obviously is white. Once that's gone on, I wanted to watch that and see if it changes colour and what colour it changes to, obviously. So as I put that on, I'm noticing already that it's turning green. And if I hold the chart up to that, we're getting something in the range of 6.5. So that means that our soil is in a range which is appropriate for the vegetables that we're planning to grow. So we've done our pH testing, and fortunately our soil is in that neutral range which we consider ideal for growing vegetables. However, what if the soil had been too acid? Well, in that case, what I would do is add some lime, preferably as dolomite lime. I can also, though, add mushroom compost, which does tend to bring the pH slightly higher, in other words, away from acid. On the other hand, if the soil was alkaline, I would add a form of sulphur. Just check with your local nursery what's the preferred form. Make sure you dig that in. There is, though, one solution which is ideal and much simpler, and that is simply to add good quality compost. Good quality compost, so long as the pH isn't too extreme, good quality compost will bring soil back closer to that neutral range. It's just one of the many amazing features of good compost.